Hey there, welcome to your Shopify Store Design full course. In this class, we are going to add our shop by collection section in our website. So, before start this section, we have to discuss about this section because you have to know the basic about this section. So, this is basically, let me open my light shot. Okay, we are going to add this section, and this is basically shop by collection, and there have a carousel picture. For example, if I hover on this section, there are two arrow icon. Look here very carefully. Here is the two arrow icon that's slide this carousel or this collection list after one by one. Looks so professional. Okay, and we wanted to add same carousel picture on our website. Okay, so this is not a product carousel slider, this is actually a collection carousel slider. For example, if anyone click on this image, it's go to the metal craft collection, not this product. This directly go to the collection page. For example, I am going to click on this image or collection name. Looks here, we have go to this collection page. So I hope you understand what we are going to do. This section is developed by me by custom code, as I am working as a Shopify developer. So that's why I take a little bit time to publish this class in my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have already added the section, and here is the section. Looks here, because by default you will never get such option on your Shopify store or on any Shopify free theme. For example, drone theme, craft theme, trad theme. I hope you understand. So I have already added this section on my another website, custom case cover. You see, also I have a full video course how to design a Shopify online store for custom case cover. You can check this course if you want to learn more about Shopify store design. Okay, here is the front end. Then I'm going to back end. Check the back end. You have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click customize. Looks here, I have the slider. We can change this section name anytime. For example, carousel slider, carousel collection slider, or carousel collection gallery, or collection gallery, anything as you like. So it does not matter to change the name of this section. I just keep it as I just develop it. So you see, there is the option. When I click on this section, then there you see multiple slide, and we can add unlimited slide in here. For example, right now 1 2 3 4 5 6 slide. We can add more slide in here. Just if we click on add slide, then we can add another slide in here. And when we click on add slide, we can easily select the image. So you see, there is the image. For example, I'm going to select this one or this one. Okay, then we can add title. For example, collection name, collection info, a little bit information about this collection. Then simply slide URL and select the collection from here that we want to collect. For example, I'm going to select this collection. Okay, and now click on the save. Okay, it will take time. It's update. You see collection name, here is the new collection. Then go back the website. We are right now review everything on the custom case cover store, but we will implement on our main website. This one, home decor store, we implement this all the code snippet in here, and I will show you everything. Okay, so now in the custom case cover, you see there is a name, collection name that we have already added. Then click on here, it's go to the collection page. So simple and easy. Also go back, then slide, it's working. So I hope you understand the front end and the customized section. And now the backend part, that is very important for you. If you want to learn Shopify theme development, then you have to know ins and out of each code. That is compulsory for you. But if you just a Shopify user, you just making your Shopify online store by yourself to save money and learn and you feel enjoyable, then this is not compulsory to learn code. You just use ready theme or just copy and paste the code from the code source. So you can ignore the learning the complex coding part. Okay, now we are going to talk about the coding, but you can also keep watching this video to complete this full process. So don't skip, just continue. Okay, so now I'm going to my code edit section, edit code. In the edit code section, we have already added the collection carousel slider. For example, if I search on collection, then you see here is the collection carousel slider. Open this one, and here all the code snippet, ready code snippet. Okay, so what we have to do, so simple. If you want to implement this code in our website home decor store, then we have to go to our Shopify admin panel. Then by general, you have to click on the online store. Then you will find this skin themes under online store. Then you have to click on the three dot icon, edit code, and then open your section folder, add new section, and go back, add this section name. I'm going to write same section, collection carousel slider dot liquid. Okay, then copy all the code, copy and paste it, remove all existing code or previous code, then paste the code in here. Okay, so now your question, how you will get the code snippet. So don't worry, just continue the video and I'm going to share how you can get this code snippet. Let me complete this full process. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget to like on the video and subscribe to my channel. You should do this because that helps me to make more video, get inspiration, get more energy to continue making or record new video that will be helpful all Shopify users. Okay, so thank you so much. I have already added the code and save it. Now go back our customize section. Right now we are working on this website home decor store. Okay, click on the customize and add section, and now scroll down. Okay, we're going to reload again. Okay, add section. Now scroll down. You see slide slider, click on it. Okay, and now start add your slide image, select, and we are going to add all the images. So going to find the images. Okay, so we are going to add images in here. Here is the ready image. So I am going to add these images. Just drag and drop. Here's the one important tips, that is you must have to use same image, same style, and you must have to retouch your image, optimize your image for SEO, retouch your image for eye-catching look. For example, use a clean background, highlight your product very nicely so that it will be attractive to your customers or audience. That is very important. Okay, add image, you see, then add another image, use this one, then add another, then add more. Okay, we have added the images. Now going to click on the save and going to reload. You see, it's not working because we have to do another things, that is go back in the layout folder, open theme.liquid and simply add this to line of code, just copy and go back your website, exist, code edit section, open theme.liquid file, then simply add this line of code, click on the save, and finally we are going to check the result. So wait a little bit time, reload. Wow, you see, it's working. So simple and easy. You can add this carousel slider from your Shopify admin panel, and let me show you the option. Click on the customize and click on here. Now we can add collection. For example, just for a example or tags work, click on the save and go back. We have added in the collection 1. So here is the collection 1. I'm going to click on it. Wow, it's working. There is no product right now in this collection, but it's go to the collection page. That is our main goal. So I hope you understand everything very easily, very quickly, how to add this section in here, and in later we'll add more option in the customer section. For example, center tags, add padding, top and bottom, a lot of things. But this is just a beginning of this section. This is just a beginning of this section. We can increase the quality of this section more way. For example, we have to add spacer in the top and bottom. You will find the video in my YouTube channel how to add spacer in the top and bottom, and we can control the number of collection to display in here, like 3, 4, 5, 6. We can add this option dynamically. For example, there will be an option to control the number, slide or collection display in here, move it center, also add hover effect, a lot of things. But in here our main goal is to just add a clean and simple carousel collection slider like this one. So I'm going to add shop by collection, add a new section in here. Okay, then rich text. When we add rich text, it will be looks clean and neat. we have added rich text, then remove this one button. Perfect. And now we can add another section in here, then add space. That will be easy. So I hope you understand how to add carousel slider collection in our website like so. In the next tutorials we'll add this section with same hover effect. That will be more helpful to make your Shopify online store more professional, more eye-catching. So I hope you understand everything about this carousel slider collection. And now the big question is that how you will get the code snippet. Okay, I have developed this code by taking a lot of time and invest this time for my beloved audience like you, and that's why I just want to know that you need this collection carousel slider, and that's why to just get a confirmation that you are interested to get this code snippet, you want to get support from me, you get benefit by watching my video, then you have to go to simply my website e-commerce thesis. Here is the e-commerce thesis, this is my website, and simply click on the contract with Faisal or contact us. You can go to any page, for example contact with Faisal, then just simply send me an email that you want this code snippet. In this email, in here, simply send an email that you wanted to this code snippet. In the reply email you will get the ready code snippet. I will send you code snippet instantly. Even you can connect with me by WhatsApp, by Gmail, anyway. So I just want to the confirmation that you really need this code snippet. So simply go to my website, fill up the form and send me a message and get the code. That's it. So I hope you understand. We have done so far. Yes, we have done so far. In the next tutorials we'll add this section. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this class is important and helpful, then click on the like button, comment on the below. If you have any suggestion, request, then just type on the comment of this video. Also, if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.